Hi friends! Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on split stitch embroidery. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll teach you how to create stunning designs using the split stitch technique. Bring the needle up from the back side of the fabric to the front at the starting point of your design. Then, instead of placing the next stitch directly next to the first stitch as in backstitch, you insert the needle back down through the center of the first stitch you made. Essentially, you're splitting the thread of the first stitch. Bring the needle up from the back of the fabric slightly ahead of the first stitch, and then insert it back down through the center of the split thread of the first stitch. This creates a continuous line of stitches that appear closely packed and textured. Continue this process, making sure each new stitch splits the thread of the previous stitch. This method forms a line of stitches that are closely connected and create a smoother, more textured appearance compared to the standard backstitch.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Now we are going to create an adorable design using the split stitch technique. I used backstitch to outline the woman's face and hand, then split stitch to embroider the hair and dress, as you can see here.
I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative projects like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy crafting.